Okay, I went out to go use my drone yesterday, and I found out that my batteries were no good. So it's been sitting for a while. So according to this, I push the button, it says the battery's all right. This is the DJI battery. Came with the drone. I put it on the charger. I get flashing light here. It'll do it it'll try to start a charge a couple of times, and then the red light will fail. And so I decided to go online, order a new battery, but apparently DJI doesn't make this battery anymore. This is a drone I purchased in, I think, 2017. Might have been 18. So I've used it maybe 10 times since then, but I've been planning on using it a lot for my off-road stuff. So you can see it failed out. So I ordered 2 brand new batteries. Here they are. They came in. I ordered them and they literally came overnight. I just received them out of the mailbox. Now what I can see is it's made by ExpertPower, high capacity replacement battery for the DJI Mavic Pro. So definitely looks like the right battery. Let's take a look. Like I said, they came overnight. I ordered them yesterday, 2 of them. Okay, so it does. It looks just like the original. And I will say, right off the bat, the quality of it looks really good. I mean, I don't think you could really tell that it's not a DJI other than the DJI not saying it. So this is my original one. This is the new one. So oh yeah, so right out of the box, it's 3/4 of a charge on the battery. All right, so let's see how it fits in my drone. Wow, nice and snug. No real no sloppiness. Looks good. Sits down, fits nice. Definitely firm engagement, about the same as my original. Yeah, I'm really pleased with that. So let's see without a charge how it does. Bring it on the unit. Yeah, so the unit came right on. So it's got half a charge. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off. I'm going to take it off, turn it off. And I'm going to take it out and put it on the charger. Let that guy, make sure it'll start charging. Let's see what we get. Yeah, right off the bat, goes right into charge. So it's 50%. I'm going to let it charge and I'll do a couple of test flights. I'm going to go ahead and open up the second one. See if it's in about the same condition. Looks like it is. So same Expert high power. Boxes are identical. Real pleased with it. Quality is definitely there. So no issues and no bulging batteries or anything like that. Saw some online that had comments like that. Right into my unit. Fits like a glove. No problem. So let's see how it powers up. Yep. Powered right up. We'll go ahead and shut it down. And we'll also put that one on the charger. So I'm going to let these charge, guys, and I'll come back and give you another video on how they operate. But definitely think it's a good battery for the price. Thank you.